Here we will see LINQ provider in C#. LINQ providers are the components that enable querying against a specific data source using a LINQ syntax in .NET. They are components or libraries which are responsible for translating LINQ queries into a format that the data source can execute. LINQ has the ability to provide a consistent querying experience across different types of data sources, but it achieves this through using various LINQ providers. And each provider is designed to work with a particular type of data source or a particular way of accessing data. There are two types of providers available in LINQ. One is primary, that is built-in providers, and second is third-party and custom providers. Built-in providers are linked to objects, which are used for querying in-memory collections like arrays or lists. Then linked to SQL. These are used for querying SQL Server databases, which is largely replaced by Entity Framework Core in modern development. Then linked to entities. These are used for querying database via Entity Framework, which supports multiple database types like SQL Server, MySQL, etc. Then linked to XML. These are used for querying XML documents. And linked to datasets. These allow user to query ADO.NET dataset using the same consistent LINQ syntax which are used for other sources. Then third-party and custom providers. Since LINQ is extensible, many third-party libraries provide their own implementations. NoSQL providers. These are libraries for MongoDB and Cosmos DB to translate LINQ into native document query languages. Then JSON providers. Tools like JSON.NET allow user to query JSON structure directly. And custom implementation. While advanced and complex structure to implement, developers can create custom LINQ providers by implementing iQueryable and iQuery provider interfaces. This is often done to support proprietary data stores, specialized web APIs or file formats. Then we'll see working of LINQ provider. First, LINQ queries are written using any .NET supported programming language such as C#, VB.NET, J#, F#, etc. Then compiler convert this query using extension method and lambda expressions. And with this, compiler creates the extension tree. Here we see example. Here LINQ query is written as where result equal to from S in student, where S.age greater than 18, select S.name. That is, we are selecting the student name from the student where age is greater than 18. Then compiler convert this query using extension method calls and lambda expression. And it will create an expression tree as select where from source and condition is age greater than 18. Then LINQ provider reads this expression tree and convert this query to native query depend on the source. That is, it may be a SQL Server or XML document. Then query is executed on actual data source and the result is returned to the application. The results are written as objects or collections. Here you will see, here provider analyze the expression tree and understand the query and convert this query to source specific query, and then the query is executed on the actual data and it will return the result to the application, that is student's name having age greater than 18. The efficiency of LINQ queries can depend heavily on the specific LINQ provider used, as different providers have different ways of translating and executing queries.